Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. If you come across this video, it is maybe because you want to double click to turn on your phone or to turn it off, or maybe you want to activate double click on your screen to wake your screen up or to make it sleep. Now if that is what you're looking for, you're welcome once again. Settle down and let us dive into it. Now when your phone is open like this, slide it up, look for phone settings. Okay, you can see phone settings. Click the phone settings, allow it to open. Once it is open, it will show you all these things you're seeing here. Now scroll down, you can see action and gesture. Click action and gesture. Good. Once it opens like this, you can see tapping awake. My own is on now. If you want to turn it off, click here. You want to turn it on now. I've turned it off. If I want to turn it on now, I click on it. Tapping wake. It is now on. That is how you will do it. Now it will open that way. Remember I said you should click on it. Click tapping awake. In some phones it will show you this same way. In some phone it will be different, such as iOS could be different from these settings, but Android phones it is very simple to do. Just click on it like this to turn it off. Click it again to turn it on. Now when it is on like this, each time you double click your screen, you wake your screen off. You wake your screen up. You can still use it to make your screen sleep. There is no need going through settings or pressing of button again. So that is it. It is very simple that you can do it. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like this video, share it to your friends, and drop a comment at the comment section. And once again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. Remember, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, remember to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first to receive it. Thank you once again, and God bless you.